I'm gonna be rich from day trading. I don't know when, but I know it's gonna happen. I've been documenting my whole journey online, and this is week number 19 and trying to get my first payout from day trading at 17 years old. And if this is your first video with me, make sure you check out my whole series right here. And make sure you check out my socials down in the description below. I post weekly on YouTube and daily on TikTok and Instagram Reels. But this is a recap of my journey so far, and this is a recap of last week. Last week, we ended up taking one dub and one loss, but we is up on the eval account a little bit. So all we need is 2 good wins to pass this eval account. But it is Christmas week, so I'm trying to be cautious with it. But without further ado, let's just get into it. Here's why we ended up taking no trades today. First off, it's a no news Monday and it's December, so I definitely wasn't expecting much today. But we did have a new week opening gap down here that was a strong draw for me. So I was looking for that to get hit for sure. So I was looking for some shorts. Market open, price swept, London lows, retraced up, and then went down to the new week opening gap. But it was just no interest for me this whole time going down, so I just never ended up trading. It was no good entries, so we just didn't trade because why am I trading if it's no good entries? Choppy little price action, not really clean setups nowhere for longs or shorts. So we didn't end up trading, and I don't think we're gonna trade this whole week because I don't think price action gonna be good this whole week. But we gonna see. We still gonna post. We still gonna check out the charts. We still gonna see, man. But yeah, here's why we ended up taking no trades today. And I was at practice during the whole session, during the whole New York session, so I couldn't even take a trade. And looking back, it was no good setup anyway. So I'm gonna sit out the rest of the week because we got Christmas Eve tomorrow and then Christmas, and then the day after Christmas, but end off the week, and then I will start trading next week. So yeah, but it was just no clean setups. Price um coming in the market open, price came and swept session highs, right? And then retracing to this big 1 minute Fibonacci gap. Boom, went up, swept this 1 minute high, came down, and then started just moving sideways up. It was just no setups either to the upside or to the downside. So I'm glad we just didn't trade. So yeah, we definitely not gonna force nothing, and we'll be back next week. Well, that wraps up week number 19 of trying to get my first payout from day trading at 17 years old. We ended up checking out the markets only 2 days of the week, and we ended up taking no trades that whole week. So next week we gonna come and look for trades because this week was Christmas week, and volume is not gonna be the best. So I didn't even look at the charts for it. The lesson I learned from this week is that I should just definitely be cautious around holidays because you will rarely find a good setup and price will most likely just stop you out. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it was a short video today, but make sure you stay tuned for next week because next week we gonna be hungry, bro. We gonna be hungry for this payout because I'm tired of like week 25. By week 25, I should have this payout in the bag. Like, but yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you stay tuned and see y'all in the next one, man.